Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 36 and 60 by using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method is the method in which we find the prime factors of the number by dividing it by prime numbers. So in prime factorization method we can find the factors of these numbers separately or we can find them together using a single ladder. In this video we are going to solve both the methods. First we'll find the factors using different ladders. So let us first find the factors of 36. So 36 is an even number, so it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, then this becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 18 is also even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. Now let us find the factors of 60 by using a separate ladder. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 will be remainder and then this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Now 15 is an odd number, it is divisible by 3, 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 is a prime number, so 5 times 1 is 5. Now we got the factors of both the number. We are going to write the numbers as the product of their factors. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 1, and the factors of 60 are 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 1. For finding the lowest common multiple, we are going to take the common factors. We are going to circle all the common factors in between the two numbers. So the common factors are 2, another 2, 3, and that's all. So let's write the common factors. 2 times 2 times 3. So here, as the numbers are common, we are going to write the numbers only once and then we are going to multiply all the uncommon factors. So from 36 we have 3 and from 60 we have 5. So the LCM of the two numbers will be 2 times 2 4, 4 times 3 12. 12 times 3 is 36 and 36 times 5 is 180. So the LCM of two numbers is 180. So this was the first method in which we have used separate ladder to find the factors of these numbers. Let us now find the LCM using a single ladder. In this method we are going to use the single ladder and find the factors of these numbers together. So 2 is a factor of both the numbers. So we are going to divide these numbers by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 will be remainder. So this becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Here we are going to divide 60 by 2 now. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 0 is 0. Now both the numbers are even. We can use 2 again to divide the numbers. So 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 will be remainder. This becomes 10. 2 times 5 is 10. 9 and 15 are odd numbers. So we are going to use 3 as the prime divisor. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 5 is 15. Now 3 and 5 are prime numbers. 3 times 1 is 3 and then the next step we are going to divide 5. 5 times 1 is 5. In the single ladder method, we can directly find the LCM by multiplying all the factors on the left hand side of the ladder. So LCM will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 1. So LCM is 180. So in this way you can find the LCM of any number using the prime factorization method. Here I have shown you both the methods for finding the LCM of the numbers. You can find the factors separately or you can use a single ladder for finding the factors of the numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.